Good evening, guys. Sandeep here. Just wanted to give you a quick feedback on your presentation. So let's look at the problem statement. So there are two issues here, right? So the last two sentences is not a problem. It does not belong here. So what have you said is, so what they need is a low grade and proper nutritious food. So you've started providing a solution on your third point, right? So you're talking about a problem, and your problem A is first not clear, right? So there are three issues that I see in this particular slide. One, your problem should be a very clear, succinct, statement. Maybe two, three lines clearly articulating, what the issue is, right? So that is not done. And the first 2 points that you have stated is too generic a statement to be considered a problem. So you would need to really refine your problem statement to just have 2 lines or maximum 3 lines, which clearly articulates what the problem that you're trying to solve. Second issue in this particular slide is the third bullet point is talking about a solution, right? So it's not a problem. So this should not be here. And the fourth bullet point, does not belong anywhere, right? It's neither a problem nor a solution. You're only talking about an environmental, condition right here. So the fourth point is completely out of place and it does not fit here. Second, when you're talking about the size of the problem, again, none of these points really reflect the size of the problem. When we're talking about, the size of the problem, we are talking about the market size, right? The market potential, of this particular problem that you're trying to address. So the points that you have mentioned here, for example, the first statement, the problem is related to health, so they have to be taken into action soon. I really don't understand what this means. So that is completely out of context. Second, protein 50 grams, fat 70 grams, carbohydrate 310 grams. There is no context, right? So it doesn't make sense. Daily maximum intake of caffeine. So we are not here talking about what is the intake of your target audience. What are the kind of vitamins and proteins that they're taking, so on and so forth. Here we are talking about the market size of the problem, which is the TAM, SOM, and SAM that we have discussed in class. So that is exactly what needs to be here. The content that you've put in this particular slide, all the content needs to completely go out, and then you need to think from a fresh perspective as to what the size of the problem is. Existing gap. Okay, this is again an extremely confusing slide. Look at the first point, moving with pure healthy drinks such as green tea, fresh juices, fruits, and water. Is this a gap? I mean, what are you trying to say, right? I don't understand. When you're talking about a gap, you're talking about how is this particular problem addressed right now? Are you saying that people are drinking green tea, people are drinking Coca-Cola and other products? So you will have to really specify how this particular problem is currently addressed, right? And what is this particular gap? So we are, people generally take Coca-Cola and Pepsi and products is a problem, right? So that's what you have stated in your first line. And that can't be an existing gap. When you're talking about an existing gap, you're clearly articulating the fact that how is your problem currently handled? Are there competitors who are handling it in a specific way, or are there other substitutes which are being used, to handle this particular problem? So again, you need to rework on this particular slide. This particular slide does not articulate your problem clearly. Fourth, solution. Again, this is too vague, right? Look at the first sentence. Looking at the first sentence, I really don't know what it means. To address this gap, we decided to offer a solution in terms of a product, right? Seriously, I really don't understand what it means. Our product is a low calorie and nutritious energy drink. We wanted to create the best alternative to put them in control with proper nutrition. The product will be available in a powdered form, right? None of this clearly tells me what your particular problem is and how is your particular problem 10x better than your competitors, and how is it solving the current problem at hand, right? So that particular solution is not very clear, right? You can't really say that to address this problem we are thinking about a product, and our product is a nutritious energy drink. So are you saying that there are no nutritious energy drink in the market? Are you saying that these drinks are not currently consumed by gamers? what is the validation, what are the data that you really have to support all these facts, right? uh, since your product is not clear, right, in terms of what your solution that you're offering is not very clear, your USP is also quite vague, right? It is a highly nutritious drink with a better taste too, right? What does that mean? The use of natural sweeteners gives an edge over others. So there are, definitely health drinks in the market, which use natural sweeteners. There are, health drinks which taste better. So what are you even trying to do, right? And this, larger than life statements like single solution for all the problems. Uh, Guys, you will have to be extremely specific. None of this, really quantifies to be a unique selling proposition. Uh, and again, in terms of validation, you have just mentioned nutritionist, doctor, working people, and students. What have you done? Have you spoken to them? Have you conducted in-depth interviews? What is the question you asked? What, how was it answered? And from that, what did you infer? And how did you make changes to your product? None of that comes out from this particular slides, right? So again, all these slides are not even elaborated, so I'm not going to talk about this. In total, guys, there is a long way to go. You guys will have to really put your heads together to really define the problem, clearly articulate what the problem is, look at the target market size, and then come up with a solution which really fits the problem, right? And you will have to be very careful in terms of the sentences that you're using. Currently, you guys are using sweeping statements like this particular problem solves all the, this particular product solves all the problem in the world. These kind of statements are definitely a no in a presentation, right? So a long way to go, guys, but you would have to you have the potential, but you would need to really work hard to completely change this particular presentation. One more last comment is with regards to the slide. Yeah, make it a little bit more colorful, you know and interesting, right? So that's about it. Thank you, guys.